Do you know how to call this? In English? Let me show you. This is traffic light and it has three colors: green, yellow, and red. Green means go, yellow means slow down, and red means stop. Like and subscribe for more English tips. Do you know how to call this in English? This is stone, stone. And you have rock here. This is rock. Rock is big. This is rock. This is rock. Rock. You have one rock here, 2, 3 rock, and this is stone. A stone is a small part of rock, and rock is more bigger. Like and subscribe. Do you know how to call these? In English, let me show you. This is a fork. We can use a fork to eat pasta. This is a spoon. We can use a spoon to eat soup. And this is a knife. We can use a knife to cut food. Like and subscribe for more English tips. Do you know how to call these? In English, let's go. This is a glass. This is a glass. And this is a cup. This is a cup. Let's pour the water in the cup first. I pour the water in the cup. And second, I pour the water in the glass. Like and subscribe for more content.